All right. Hey, everyone. Let's do a quick mic check, making sure everything is working as intended. Give me one moment. Hmm. Man, it's kind of a little. Okay, that sounds pretty good. All right, let's do a quick update on what's cooking in Bill Station Kitchen. So, I'll uh, So we have a new so recently I think that I posted on my social media, but I haven't posted it on Bill Station channel, but I shared that inside the group chat and stuff. So we completed the a QF round with the DevCon team. So DevCon team from Ethereum Foundations. So we secure roughly 1 point something ETH for activities, right? Community activity. I think 1.1 roughly. And you can also track. Let me make sure I share my screen. Present, share screen. Yes. And I would like to share a window. Chrome tab. Yeah. Let's go on buildstation.org. Okay. Let's go on here. Okay. Looks good. Let me pick some better one. Let's do this one. Okay. So if you go on the website, you scroll down to the treasury section. Okay. Treasury section. You see the address of the treasury right here, along with the balance as well. So you can go to RP scan, and you can check the balance. And you see like the expenses that we spend and things we do, etc. To make sure, transparency, right? I would try to get an update with, like transaction spending. Of course, transaction is coming from here, but we gotta do some labeling and stuff like that for you guys to see what exactly we are doing. I will also consider just do a download page data or something. Could work as well. Could work as well, but everything's gonna be on Arbitrum for the moment. But do some labeling and publish all of the information and everything. Probably either on Notion page or directly on the website. Right? I will come up with how exactly that's gonna be. Recently, we had a hackathon. A multi winner. So we had a community members. Was that contributing to DeFi.vn, the wiki, the open wiki for everything about DeFi for Vietnamese. So we did a payout of 0.003 ETH, which at the time was like about $9. At the time it was like $9 sometime. But it's like oh, okay, so show value on a day transaction. I think it was a bit I think it was a little bit more. But anyway, okay. Oh, $9.70. Right? Today is like 7.96. Anyway, so yeah, we did a payout, small ones. We're gonna make an update inside the Notion sheet pretty soon. Notion, or probably do Notion. It's a bit more public than the Google stuff. Anyway, so everyone knows what exactly we're spending the QF money on. So that's the first announcement. So we got a treasury. So we decently funded. We got some money to do activities, which is why it's gonna be the next announcement. It's gonna be. Let me just stop sharing this one. Okay, let's do the next announcement, which is okay. Give me one moment. Okay, now I'm gonna share this one. Let's zoom in real quick. Oh, let me do a quick share to the community. Yeah, quickly share to the community. Okay, so basically, Give me one moment. Gonna turn this on as well, just so in case somebody gonna go in and do comments and stuff. So yeah, okay, good. All right. So after we get the QF round, we want to spend the money on something a bit more exciting, which is gonna be the support buildathon, right? So it's gonna be a buildathon, so it's a little bit different from hackathons. Hackathon is more like time bound and requires you to be much more competitive. A buildathon is more focused on your contribution to the ecosystem rather than like rather than the actual competition. We partner with DoorHacks to set up the page and launching the buildathon with the prize pool from the QF round. So it's going to be roughly $1,000, a bit less than that because ETH went down. Hopefully, roughly it's going to be around $1,000. We will try to pay out that amount. It's going to go from August 19th all the way to December 31st at the end of the year. So basically, going from now all the way to the end of the year, we could have other activities going on at the same time as well. But basically, this buildathon is going to go for the end of the year, from now till the next Monday to the end of the year. And all details are here. Submission guide, everything is here as well. So you can just submission guidelines, submission requirements, price pool. Actually, I should go over exactly what it is. So you go. We will also okay. So timeline going from August 19th, all the way to December 31st, and there will be a bunch of workshops, online live streams along the way to assist you with building and understanding what other people are doing and also what the people are contributing, right? And hopefully we are just give you some helps along the way. And if you are in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, where the build station core team is based at, we will also host physical meetups and physical workshops, not just online. So we do a lot of online stuff, live streams and so on, but we also will do offline meetups on the weekend and give you some help, Q&As, etc. Right? And the topics or the tracks is providing support to the other developers, hence the name, the support buildathon, right? And yes, if you get the reference, this is Hasume Mei from My Hero Academia. You get the reference. She built support gadgets for heroes, and basically the idea is you're building support tools for other developers, right? The main characters of the crypto space, and there's only one. And basically on only one track, which is developer tool. So we want you to build tools for other developers. So we want you to build SDKs, want you to build API wrappers, development templates, Solidity, instructions, boot camps, tips, blocks, tutorials, documentations, sample codes, templates, blah 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 blah, everything, right? For the Ethereum ecosystem, right? So you can be building stuff for like different EVM specific on different layer two for Ethereum. You can be building like basically just a lot of stuff, right? Feel free to tag us on social media. Happy to answer any questions you have, right? Just and actually there's a contact us section just below. So in terms of submission guidelines, pretty straightforward. So I think we're gonna do everything's gonna go to an issue section on GitHub repo. I was debating with the bounty section. I think I might go with a brand new one. It's called Buildathon, a bit more specific for this because I think about it. But is there a bounty or Buildathon, whichever it is? Then you can use a proposal template to create a proposal describing your idea, and our team will discuss with you, assign about the amount, if there's enough details that how you deliver. If not, you can provide a POC or something. Then we assign like a a payout amount for you. You receive an approved tag, which means if you receive an approved tag, means that you're free to proceed with creating the POC, etc. Or you can just submit your POC and just get that immediately. Then after you've done your work, the reason why I want you to propose, just because because based on my experience, a lot of people might propose something that is, in a sense, might not be sufficient to be actual, to be not, it might not be sufficient, or not of good enough quality, that the quality that we're expecting. So then the reason why I want you to propose, so at least we set expectations clearly. So no complaints on, is it too low, the payout amount is too low, too high, etc. All that stuff. I guess nobody complains about too high payout amount. Anyway, you get an approved tag, and once you're done with your submission, you go back to the GitHub issues that you have proposed and deploy, submit it. So you submit the, you comment your repo links, deploy links, if any, everything related to your submissions, right? The developer tool that you have built. And at the same time, create a builder on DoorHacks and submit the builder into the support buildathon, this one. And we will communicate with you further on your submission, checking on quality control and provide the final, payout status, right? So basically, if you see your issue status became clear, basically 100% we will process a payout. Another one is you need to make sure you go to your you need to go to your own repository, your own GitHub account, and create a repository called buildstation.org with just one file called funding.json. And once you do that, funding.json, we can track, basically and then, okay, I'll just give you a quick, uh, you have a funding.json, which is like a bunch of addresses for you, right? And you have the I guess the network name just before. So right now there's no standardized, but these are one I put, so you can use the same. And I recommend you to use the same as well, because it's easy for me to filter it out in the backend. So you want to get paid on Arbitrum. We pay out in Arbitrum, by the way. So you most likely just give us an address on Arbitrum, which is going to be denoted by ARP, and then we just pay the money every time. Once the payout, your GitHub issues on our repository turn to clear, basically the backend is going to fetch quick approval from the call team, and then everything's going to pay out directly to the address that you display over here. So make sure it's correct. If it's wrong, I cannot recover money. So make sure it's correct, right? If you leave in some way for us to contact, we will also try to contact you before paying out. So like we about to pay out, make sure you double check on it. Can also join the, of course, easiest. Go our website, tag us on X, all those things. Ask questions directly. Everything's in the open. Nothing. You don't have to even DM us and stuff. So it's up to you, right? And of course, these addresses are public. That means people can track it. So if you privacy conscious, think of some way, think of something, send directly to a SEC or whatever it is. Up to you, right? But it's not a competition to be in the privacy sector. So my apology. Submission requirements, okay, has to be fully open source. 100%. We don't pay for closed source solution, right? We're not gonna do any payout for closed source, so it has to be open source. And of course, open source means that the source code is available. It's MIT or some sort of like GPL, so something that the community can easily fork and use, replicate freely in a sense, right? But if you have a backend, like say like you open source your code, you have a database, and you using the database as a it's your own database, right? Then you can keep it, right? You don't have to open source your, like say you are like a project that's already running, you can just it's your database. They're not going to ask you to submit your user information, right? You need to submit the source code and make it available for the community, right? You can 100% can submit multiple builders. Just don't have to be one. No KYC is required, so we don't ask for your verification or anything. And your builder should be deployed on Ethereum testnet, right? If you're building a DApp or something, CTF or anything, Ethereum testnet. Can be the Ethereum Sepolia or an L2 Sepolia. Arbitrum based doesn't matter, right? Just one of the L2, I guess. Yeah. Price pool. Prices will come out from the price pool of 0.3 ETH. That's gonna be the price pool. And yes, we do everything. Everything's going to pay out in ETH. There's no equivalent. We're not going to do any USD conversion and stuff like that. We just like, this is the amount ETH we're going to pay you, and that's it, right? It's going to be the same beginning to the end. So if ETH goes up, you're happy. ETH goes down, too bad, I guess. Yeah, we're all in the same boat, man. You want to contact us? You can tag us on x.com with the handle BuildStation.org or BSintern for funnier response. You can email core@buildstation.org, or you can raise a thread on GitHub. That's probably easiest, by the way. Just open a thread. I check the GitHub every day. Do it. And yes, BuildStation is a community of builders passionate about building Web3. Collaborate, share knowledge, help one another. Right? That's it. So yeah, if you have anything, feel free to ask questions and so on. Okay, sounds good. Cool. I don't know. So I think that would be it for the announcement. So at least for now, we don't have any new updates. I think everyone might be asking when will be the next like workshops, like live stream and so on. I will update the details page alongside with the GitHub at the same time. So make sure check it regularly, right? And you see the schedule on there, right? And of course, everything's gonna be on YouTube. If it's too urgent, you're gonna miss it. No problem, right? It's no issues. The video is gonna be there. You can just keep it. You can just watch it. If you have questions, you can just you have questions, tag us on social media. We answer, right? Or you can also go to buildstation.org, find out about social, right? Let me share the social. Give me one moment. Let me share the social, share screen. Okay, everything is in the footer. So you can go to group chat, you can go to the feed, explore repository, or like all these social media channel right here. So you can go there and leave us comments, stuff like that. We answer for you. So no issues, right? And of course the build-a-thon is super long, so take your time, right? There's no rush. And after this build-a-thon, we will also do more build-a-thon as well. So we will try to do it every quarter, and just something for the community, activities for the community, and so on. Yeah, sounds good. All right, I think that will be the end of this announcement. Let me quickly check if there. Ooh, couple GM, yay! Some cool. Let me send back a GM. Anyway, cool. So I hope everyone is having a good day. Right, today's Thursday, but ready for Friday. Keep building, keep working hard. We're gonna make it. All right, sounds good. All right, enjoy your day. Bye bye. Have a good day, guys.